Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your sales tax return online in California. First, ensure you have an active online account with the California Department of Tax and Fee Administration, or CDTFA. You'll need to gather all your sales records, including gross sales and any applicable deductions, before you begin. Navigate to the CDTFA website and log into your account to start the process. Once logged in, you'll navigate to the Sales Tax Return section. Here, you will accurately input your total gross sales for the reporting period. Be sure to carefully identify and enter any allowable deductions or exemptions, such as sales for resale or sales to government entities. The system will then automatically calculate your total taxable sales based on your entries. After entering your sales and deductions, the online system will automatically calculate your sales tax liability. It's crucial at this stage to meticulously review all the information you've entered. Double-check your gross sales, deductions, and the calculated tax amount for any discrepancies. Taking a few extra moments here can prevent potential issues later on. With your return thoroughly reviewed, you can now electronically submit it through the CDTFA portal. Next, select your preferred payment method for any tax due. Options typically include direct debit from your bank account or credit card, though a fee may apply for credit card payments. After confirming your submission, remember to save or print a copy of your filed return and payment confirmation for your records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.